A long, long time ago, Allah created the sun, the moon, and the earth. After creating these, he saw that his creation was incomplete. So he asked his angels to collect clay from the earth. The obedient angels collected clay, and Allah made a man-like figure with it. And the God named him Adam, alayhi salam. But the figure didn't move for 40 long years. It just stood still there. When Iblis saw this figure, he was confused and scared. And after 40 long years, one day, Allah breathed his spirit into Adam, alayhi salam. When the spirit reached the head of the figure, it sneezed. When the spirit reached his eyes, he saw all the amazing food lying around. Then the spirit reached his stomach. And Adam, alayhi salam, felt hungry. The prophet had seen the fruits lying around, so before the spirit could even reach his legs, he jumped towards the fruits. Adam, alayhi salam, fell down as he couldn't move his legs. Then Allah asked all the angels, including Iblis, to prostrate before Adam, alayhi salam, as a sign of respect. One by one, all the angels prostrated before the prophet except Iblis. Iblis said that he was better than the prophet and he was made from fire. Allah got angry with this disobedience, so he banished Iblis from paradise. From that day, Iblis was called as the Shaitan, and he was thrown into the hell. Shaitan was now very angry with the humans as he was banished from the paradise. Because of them, he vowed to take revenge by misleading the humans. Allah then taught Adam, alayhi salam, the names of every animal in paradise: the lion, the sheep, camel, elephant, dove, peacock, and many, many more. Allah told the prophet that he was allowed to eat every fruit in the garden except one. God told the prophet that he should not eat the fruit of the tree of knowledge and that it was forbidden, and he spent most of his time playing with the animals in paradise. After a few years, the prophet became lonely, as there were no other humans in paradise. Allah saw this, so he decided to give Adam, alayhi salam, a wife. That night when the prophet was sleeping, God created the first woman. When the prophet woke up, he was happy to see the woman. He then named her Hawa, because she was made from something living. Both of them lived happily in paradise for a long time. Shaitan was still angry at the humans. Many years had passed by. So Shaitan knew that the prophet must have forgotten the words of Allah. This is the end of this part. We will learn what happened after in the next part. Subscribe us on YouTube. Educate yourself with Islamic knowledge. Just Urdu, English, Quran translations available on our page.